Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your LinkedIn profile. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily hide your LinkedIn public profile on LinkedIn. Once you make that change, it won't appear in search engines and won't be visible to non-LinkedIn members. Here's how to do it. Click open a web browser first. In the URL box, type in linkedin.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now sign into your account if necessary, and once you're in, go to the top right and click on the Me button. From the expanded menu, click on View Profile. At the upper right, you'll be able to see Edit Public Profile and URL button. Give it a click and you'll be taken to your public profile settings page. In order to hide your profile from public, scroll a bit down and at the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see your profile's public visibility button. Simply turn that button off, and once you do that, after you make the change or edits to your profile, it can take several weeks or months for search engines like Google, Yahoo or Bing to detect changes and refresh. Now your LinkedIn profile is no more visible to public. That is how you can hide your profile on LinkedIn. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.